Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the latest Divi update, and this is the Divi big icon update. Let's dive in and let me show you what this update is about. So I'm going to switch over here to my website. So let's start by going into our page here and adding some content. So I'm going to add 3 columns. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right. So the columns I'm going to add all include our icons. So I want to show you how these icons can be implemented, how the new system looks like, and how you can start using it as well. All right, so over here, if we go to anything that uses icons, let's say blurbs. I'm going to search for my blurb here and select it. So usually what we do is we'd come over here, image and icon, and I'm going to activate my icon. So this is the interface that we're used to. Okay, so when I scroll down here, you can see these are all our Divi icons. Now we have brand new icons, and for you to see them, there's 2 ways. First of all, you can filter here, and this is where you can see solid icons, line icons, Divi icons, and font awesome. So font awesome, this is a library of icons that can also extend our icon library. So look at that. There's quite a lot to choose from here. Now there's also another way to navigate through all this. So you can come over here and search as well. So let's say you want to search for a credit card. You can see here when I search credit, everything that is related to credit cards is showing. So let's say I want to add Stripe or even PayPal. I can just go ahead and do that. Now, not only does it end there, if I come over here now to design and I go to image and icon, I can further customize this by giving it a color. I can also adjust the size. So I can make it smaller here. I can also give it a background color if I needed to add a background color, and I can also place it wherever I want. So that is how we can use our icons. Now, let me go back and show you how else we can play around with this new icon feature. So here we also have an expand mode. So if I click here, it's going to show us all these icons nice and massive. So I can go through here and look for my icons this way. This is very, very good because it makes it easier for us to find what we are looking for. I really like this. And while we're in this mode, we can also search. So let's say I search for PayPal. And again, you can see here we have this logo, and we also have this other option. So we can search, we can do all our filters in that mode. Now, let me show you other ways that we can use our icons. So I'm going to come over here now and search for my button. So I want to add a button here. So everywhere where icons are used, we are going to be able to find all the new icon library. So I'm going to come over here now and go to, let's use pay here as our button title. Okay, so I'm going to come over here to design and then click on button, activate use custom styles for button. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down here to our icons. So again, if I click here on expand, I can search for my icons. So let's say this time I want Stripe or even a credit card. Let's go for a credit card. Okay, so let's say I want to use Visa for this icon. I'm just going to click here to accept that. Now, it may not show yet because it's only showing here on hover, and this can be changed by coming over here. So now I've changed it, I've added it, and I can also place it to the left like that. And now all I have to do is to go into spacing and apply some spacing over here to the left, just so that my icon is within the actual button. So I'm going to add that. So now we can see our button now is customized. I can even go further now and customize the button text as well. So I'm going to go back into button, and let's go ahead and change the font here to say, for example, Poppins. Oops, there we go. Right, so now I have my button here fully customized, and I think this is really cool. Now, let me show you another example. So another example here is we can actually use the icon itself as a module, okay? So we're not just using these icons on modules that have icons. This also comes in with its own module, so we can have our own icons, and I think this is really cool. Let's dive in and let me show you. So I can search here for icon, and you can see now we have a brand new icon module. So this will just add our icons on there. So let's say I want to use font awesome. I can just scroll here and look for my icon. If I need to, I can search for it. but I just prefer doing this for this example. So let's go with maybe something like this. Okay, we're going to go for this bug. Right, so what we can also do here is we can add a background. So I'm going to go with something like that. That's my background. And then I'm going to go now to the design tab. So this is where we can target our icon here, give it a color. And then I can also adjust the size of my icon here. So I think I'm going to leave it at 90. That's fine. And then I'm going to come over here now to spacing and give this a bit of spacing all around. So let's go for 20 all around. And now we can customize our icons. They're nice and big. We can even give it a border by coming over here. So let's say we want to add a border, make it black, so it really stands out. And if we can also have this in a circle, it is possible. So let's add 100 here. And boom, now we have a circle. So as you can see, it is very flexible. You can go in and play around with the designs here. We can adjust the size. Maybe that was a bit too much. So let's go with 46. So you can see here that these icons can be used in so many ways. And this is available today. So all you have to do is to go and update Divi. So once updated, you'll have access to this feature. I will be doing more tutorials showing you how we can apply these in our designs. So pretty much that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this one, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.